Okay, so today we are going to start with Ignitia. Ignitia, full name is Ignitia Amara. I am Dr. Priya Shetty, MD Homeopathic Medicine. I'm going to start with your lecture, that is Ignitia. So whenever you are going to learn about Ignitia, we need to first understand what is Ignitia, how that lady is. Basically, it is really predominant female remedy. Okay, as you know, the pulsatilla, as you know, sepia, as you know, staphysagrria, predominant female remedy. In same way, ignitia is really female remedy. But there is, if you are going to understand about female remedy, it doesn't mean that these remedies are not used or these remedies are not good for men. Okay, but predominantly these remedy are used in female. So ignitia is frequently required and is specially suited to sensitive, delicate women and children. Okay, these people are really sensitive, really delicate, and to hysterical women. Yesterday we had talked about lot many things about your hysteria, right? So these people, I was telling you about ignitia yesterday only. These people are hysterical, but there is delicacy, there is sensitivity, which is highly marked. You will not cure the natural hysterics with ignitia, but you cure those gentle, sensitive, fine fiber, refined, highly educated, overwrought women in their nervous complaints and ignitia when they take on complaints that are similar to such symptoms comes in hysteria. So this remedy is really close to Moschus. Okay, so whenever you are going to understand more difference between Moschus and Ignitia, basically what happened whenever these women are really who are really delicate, who are really sensitive, because of this sensitivity, there are symptoms which are coming upon. Okay, but whenever symptoms are coming and because of sensitivity, and whenever patient is in a hysteric phase and whenever patient is trying to say something in a hysteric phase, when symptoms are not there but they are told as if they are there. Okay, such is hysteria when come up, when at that time you need to give Moschus. And here in ignitia, here there is lot of sensitivity, that sensitivity leads to these complaints. Okay, so basically you will not, okay, you will not cure the natural hystericus with ignitia. There, to cure those hystericus phase, you need to use Moschus. Okay, but what you will cure with ignitia? You will cure that gentleness, that sensitiveness, that fine powered, refined, highly educated, overall woman. The woman who had really done something which is really really like a mental pressure. Okay, who is continuously on mental pressures with nervous complaints, and with ignitia when takes on complaints that are similar to such symptoms that come in hysteria, as I had explained you these things. Okay, hysterical diathesis, there is a diathesis, just like you know, there is a uric acid diathesis, there is nitrogen or constitution. Likewise here you will get this hysterical diathesis. The hysterical diathesis is one that is very singular and difficult to comprehend. Okay, we'll move further. But a woman, when overwrought and overexcited and emotional, will do this she herself cannot account for. She will do things as if she were crazy in her excitement, will do things she regrets, while hysteric is always glad for it. No matter how much foolishness there is there in it, she has only made an exhibition that she has proud of. But our efforts to go out for those who intimate them unconsciously, those who will to do well. Okay, basically what happened? If I need to tell you about sensitivity or sadness of of this ignitia, what you need to understand, a mother. Okay, basically a girl who get married and for a year she is not having any child. Okay, after a year, after many treatments and all, she get pregnant. She get pregnant, and after her pregnancy, she get a child. Okay, a male child who is really very mm, very sensitive. That lady is really very sensitive about that child, over excited, over emotional, and at that time, whenever such things are going to come up, uh, whenever such things are going to come up, that child is going to go at some point, right? he has to go for some after for his education, he has to go for his career, but that lady, that mother really cannot allow him to go away from her. And such things when come up, that excitement, that emotional things when come up, sadness come in the picture. Okay. So she will do the things, if she were crazy in her excitement, she will really cry, she will really feel bad about that, will the things that regrets. But while the hysterical is always glad for it. If hysterical people, if you are going to look towards the hysterical people, it doesn't matter how much foolishness is there in that actions, but she will try to exhibit everything. Okay, they are try only for made for exhibition that she is proud of. Okay, so such things are coming up emotionally and over excitement, and this is the basic of your ignitia. We'll move further. A woman has undergone a controversy at home. She has been disturbed, is excited, and goes into a trance, trembles, fears, goes to bed with headache, is sick. Ignitia will be her remedy. Okay. Any stress, especially in the woman's. Okay. Any stress, especially in the woman's, will give you that headache because of that excitement and cramps and trembling and fears, everything that leads to disturbances, everything where contradiction come up, whenever controversy come up, especially at home, especially at her work, especially where uh, in her territory. Okay, whenever such controversies occur which are completely against her, which leads to a great distress. Okay, which leads to a distress, which leads to a physical complaints, at such time she becomes sick, and at that time you need to prescribe her ignitia. When she has a great distress, unrequired affections, a sensitive, nervous young girl find out that she has misplaced her affections. The young man has disappointed her. She has a weeping spell, headache, trembles. His nervous, sleepless ignitia make her philosophical and sensible. Okay, such a sensitivity you will get over here in this remedy. A sensitive, nervous girl, a girl who is really very sensitive, really nervous, very beautiful. These people are really very beautiful. Okay, especially ignitia people, like pulsatilla. You cannot find out difference between pulsatilla and ignitia. And when such things are coming up, whenever such things are going to come up, at that time, when she had that disappointment. Okay, so disappointment in love is a rubric for ignitia. Okay, this is important thing which I wanted to tell you. Yes, we had such rubrics. Okay, disappointment in love, disappointment in because of death of near and dear ones, like. Okay, so such rubrics are there. In such rubrics you will get this remedy predominantly, like ignitia, like staphysagria, like pulsatilla. Disappointment like natrimeo, disappointment really matters a lot. Okay, such disappointment can lead to weeping spell. These people can cry out very easily, really cry. Okay, not like pulsatilla. These people are having their self consciousness. Pulsatilla can cry in front of anybody. These girls cannot cry. These ignitia people cannot really cry very easily. But yes, they can cry. But in that crying, you will not get that weeping tendency. You will get that weeping spell. For some time, they will cry. It is not that something happened and patient is started with crying. It is not like pulsatilla. It is just like uh, something really bad happened, and this is so much, and now she is crying. Okay, there is headache, there is trembles, is nervous, she becomes sleepless. And such things, when such disturbances come up, when you really cannot handle that girl, you don't know how to handle that girl, ignitia can give her uh, sense. Ignitia can make her philosophical and sensible. That sense will come up with the ignitia. That disturbed vitality can go away with the ignitia only. Okay. So let me tell you a case. In our second year or third year BHMS, uh, at that time we have to learn 50 remedies in your first year only. Okay. Nowadays you don't need to learn first in first year about materia medica. Now portion has been changed. At my time, when I was learning about BHMS, when I was in second year, we had done our Ignition in second year only. Okay, so one of our friend was going home. Suddenly, she thought to go home, and suddenly she was going. And at that time, we received a news that she lost her grandpa. Okay, and she was not crying at all. We got this news from her brother. Okay, she is not crying at all. She is really shocked. Now we don't know what to do, and there is no doctors. Now what we should do? Should we bring her to Pune? We were like, no, 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 don't do that, don't do that, don't uh, bring her to Pune. Okay, we'll give something and she will be normal. So at that time, our teacher has prescribed her Ignitia 1M single dose, and that single dose made her cry within 15 minutes. That shock, that sudden grief, sudden shock has been resolved with Ignitia, and her physical expressions come up. That is crying. Okay, and she cried out a lot, but at that time when you need to understand what you need to remove, that block, that shock you need to remove, then only she can show her physical symptom. Okay, so this was about the case of ignitia. So I have seen such result of ignitia. Okay, so there is headache, trembles in a nervous sleepless girl. That's why it is said that ignitia can make such girls philosophical and sensible. A woman loses her child or her husband, a sensitive, delicate woman, she suffers from this grief. This grief, what do you mean by grief? Grief means a continuous, long lasting sorrow. Okay, a continuous, long lasting मराठीत सांगायचं तर दुःख. ओके, खूप मोठं दुःख असतं ते. She has a headache, trembles, is excited, weak, sleepless, unable to control herself. In spite her best admirers, her grief has simply torn her into pieces. She is unable to control her emotions and her excitement, which leads to all the complaints. Okay, we try to understand a grief, a continuous, long-lasting grief, a continuous sorrow, continuous pain. Such pain are going to such pains, such mental pains will lead to a lot of trembling, excitement, weeping, and she is really sleepless. Okay, she cannot control herself in spite her best admirers. It means she really tried. She really tried to handle the things. Okay, she really tried to handle the thing, and but she really cannot. Okay, such things are going to come up, and at that point, if you are going to prescribe her ignitia, it will lead to a lot of resolvement. Okay, uh, all the issue will be resolved very easily. She will understand. Okay, now these things has been happen with me. I should not go for such things. I should be practically over here, and then I can handle the things. Okay, this ignitia basically used in very sensitive and delicate person. Okay, such sensitivity, such high sensitivity, high reactivity you will get in this remedy. Okay, we'll move further. Ignitia will quiet her and tide her over in the present moment. In all those instances, all of these conditions brought from such troubles keep coming back. When your patience dwells upon the cause, and the state keeps reoccurring, like Natramur will finish up the case. Okay, yes, I need to tell you about it. Natramur is chronic of ignitia, okay, or ignitia is acute of Natramur. It is said like that. Whenever such, as I told you in that case, it was so sudden trauma for her. Okay, she was not knowing about that date, or she was not mentally prepared for that. She was just like, okay, let me go home, let me enjoy my life for 2 or 3 days, and I will come back. But she was going home, and she suddenly get the news that her grandpa had died. That sudden shock, that acuteness, that sudden thing will lead had been lead to complaints. Okay, that she couldn't cry. Okay, or she couldn't show off her feelings, or she couldn't have that sense. But if such things are going to happen continuously, and your patient, if you are going to dwell upon them, if your patient is continuously thinking upon them, okay, if your patient continuously need to think and continuously need to find out the solution with that particular process, which leads to
continuous thinking. Okay, so Natramur has the rubric that is named as brooding. Okay, brooding over the things. Brooding means what? Brooding means continuously thinking on the same point. Okay, so such brooding you will get brooding in Natramur, and in acute you can use Ignitia, where in chronic cases you need to use Natramur. Okay, Natramur single dose will finish this case. It will never hurt. It will know her up and help her to bear her sufferings. Okay, it really gives that stability. It really gives that force, the vital force that can handle her and bear her suffering, especially useful in the constitution that have been overwrought at school, in science, music, art. Of course, it's natural for very sensitive girl to going into art, such as music, painting, etc. Okay, so these Ignitia girls are really very artistic. Artistic nature in a rubric covered this remedy, that is Ignitia. Okay, basically these people are really very sensitive. Okay, so they like to go in such artistic way. Okay, like music, like painting, but it doesn't mean that you people like who are doing science and then they are becoming doctors, they cannot be Ignitia. Yes, they are Ignitias. Okay, because that sensitivity come up in the picture. Okay, this sensitivity really marked. Okay, so such artistic way we can find out in this remedy. Some artistic abilities we will get in this remedy, but there is sensitivity which is really very marked upon. Okay, so we'll move further. Her daughter come back from Paris after a number of years. Close application to her music. She is unable to do anything. She flies all to pieces. Every noise disturbs her. She cannot sleep at night. Excitable, sleepless, trembles, jerk, cramp in the muscles, weeps from excitement and from every disturbing word. Ignitia will tone up wonderfully. Okay, so, as we are saying that our remedies, our homeopathic remedies really work very well on the mental symptoms. Okay, the mental symptoms can really got we can really have that ability. We have really that ability to handle the mental situations where stressful situations where patients are really in a stress, where they can turn up into the suicidal maniac or suicidal phases, and they can turn up into maniac diseases or mental diseases. We can really cover up or back those patients from those situations. Okay, so here the word has been used that Ignitia will tone her wonderfully. Okay, and it really toned. Okay, that situation, that lady, that patient really toned up. Means what happened? That person really understand. Okay, this is not a practical thing. Okay, I need to be a very practical. I need to understand everything in a practical way. And after understanding this thought, after having these positive thoughts, she will be better. Okay, so that excitability, sleeplessness night, trembles, jerks, everything will be uh, goes off. Okay, so such things, such remedies have action upon this mind symptoms. Okay, we'll move further. Sometime it will complete the whole case, but especially in the oversensitive girl is natural. Very commonly chronic. It is natural chronic of ignitia. Okay, as I told you, natromure is chronic of ignitia and ignitia is acute of natromure. When troubles coming back and ignitia comes to a place when it will not hold any longer. Okay, when ignitia cannot hold that situation, try to understand that oversensitivity. Okay, such oversensitivity can lead to a lot of complaints. Whenever you are going to get such oversensitivity, ignitia really cannot hold any longer. Okay, and when ignitia cannot hold, any problem, guys? Any problem? Okay, I'll move further.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, I'll move further. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think my internet is not proper. I'll just check it out. Wait a minute. You just wait a minute. Oh. Can you listen me, guys? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So I'll again start with this remedy. Okay, sorry for these disturbances. This oversensitive girl, when I was talking about the oversensitivity and handling of the ignitia or with the natrum, when such things are going to be coming up, okay, whenever such things are going to be there for a long period of a time, continuously these things are going on. Someone is continuously disappointing those people. Okay, someone is continuously saying such things, continuously things are going on, and at that time you really don't know how to handle the things. Okay, and if you don't know how to handle these things, uh, these things will really lead to a complaint. Okay, really lead to complaints like anemia, sleepless nights, okay, trembling, or muscle complaints like jerks, or like anything. Okay, so over excitement and things are going to be very problematic. Okay, so such things can lead to a lot of complaints. So such things are going to be very problematic, and at that time you need to prescribe them natramur. Okay, when continuously things are going on, at that time you need to give up natramur. But when such acute troubles are there, whenever these things are come up acutely, okay, whenever things are going to be in a acute phases, you need to give ignatia. So this is basic difference of ignatia and natramur, but you will find this remedy are really running close together. Okay, got it? Hello guys, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आ रहा है ना
Yes, ma'am.
लेक्चर अच्छे से, और should I need to explain it more?
Ma'am, go slowly.
Okay, okay, go slowly. Okay, okay. So another place where ignitia and natramur run close together. A sensitive, overtired girl, after she has been working in music, in art, and in school, and has tried herself out, is unable to control her affection. Her affection rests on someone whom she would despise. That may be a singular thing. One may or not be able to understand it. A sensitive girl thought she would not let anyone but her mother know of it. Falls in love with married man. She lies awake a night, sobs. She says, "Mother, why do I do that? I cannot keep that man out of my mind." Okay? If you need to understand these things, if you need to understand these things, uh, if you want to understand these things, what happened? Basically, ignitia and natramur. If you are going to learn about things, natramur has this tendency to fall in love with a married man. Okay, her mother knows everything. She has a she has one particular friend, like friendly nature. She has one particular friendly person who is really her friend and who cannot judge her and who will just be her as if she is being. Okay, so such things are come up in the picture, and when such things are going to come up in the picture, that friend or that mother is knowing about everything about her. Okay, so she will cry in front of her. It can be her mother, it can be her friends or anyone. Okay, she will cry and she will say, why I need to do that, uh, why did that. Okay, I cannot keep that mind outside of out of my mind, but the love, that really very sensitive part for her. Okay, uh, which can disturb her in any way. She can affect her study. Okay, and she really lies awake at night. She was lying down, but she awake. Okay, she cannot sleep, and she is really soft. She really cry. Okay, because that she know that these situations are not good, and whatever she is doing is wrong. Okay, this is not really a way. Okay, so such things are going to come up in the picture, and uh, at that point natramur can work. Okay, natramur only can work. At that point, your ignitia can work for a few days or
weeks, but it cannot handle that situation as Natramure. Okay, so at other time, man entirely out of her station, and that she is too sensible, have anything to do with. She just think about him. Ignitia, if it is very recent, will balance up that girl in mind. If not, Natramure will comes as in a follower. We do not know half of much about the human mind as we think we do. We only know its manifestation. Okay. So as I told you, Ignitia can handle her if the things are really very recent. If Ignitia can handle only for a week or only for a month or only for a day, but Natramure can handle this case very well. Okay. So this is about manifestation. This is about the human mind, where you really don't know how to handle the human mind, how a human mind can work. Okay, but we just don't know about the manifestation. We will move further. These little things belongs to the sphere of action of this medicine. The only one knows the materia medica applies in its breadth, its length, and see that which is similar. Ignitia has clearing the limbs, nervous, trembling, excitement. Sorry guys, we move further. Not yet. Yes. So there is nervous tremulous excitement, weakness of the body which coming on suddenly. So it as till now we had done about the mental symptoms. Okay, you have listened about the mental symptoms till now, and now we need to go for the physical symptoms. Okay, if you are going to understand the sphere of action of a ignitia, this is really long or deep acting remedy. Okay, it's not a acute remedy as such. Yes, sometime acutely, but that mental sphere, to understand the mental sphere, we really need to a remedy which has that depth. Okay, so here the line has been written like that. Ignitia has querying in the limbs, nervous tremulous excitement, nervous but tremulous, continuous excitement. Okay, there is continuous something is going on in mind, which leads to a complaints. Okay, weakness of body which is coming on suddenly, hysterical debility and fainting fits, fainting in the crowds. It is especially useful in the tearful, nervous, sad, yielding, sensitive minds. Okay, try to understand each and every word. Tearful, who really cry a lot, nervous, they are really nervous, they are really sad, yielding. Well, they need to understand everything and they need to yield like anything. As you have Cilicia, there is disposition, yielding disposition. They will listen everything, but they are try to find out the solution and they will act upon them. Okay, they will not have that stubbornness. Sometimes Ignitia can have that stubbornness, but sorry, sometimes your Cilicia have that stubbornness, but Ignitia will never have that stubbornness. They will yield like anything. Okay, they can understand the things. They will and they have that understanding nature. Okay, then there is sensitive mind. Okay, there is jerking and twitching especially of muscles. Convulsive twitchings is there. Children are convulsed in a sleep after punishment. Yes, after punishment Ignitia is the remedy. Scolding and punishment lead to a lot of insult which can cover up with the Ignitia. Okay, when children are really very sensitive, this come up these convulsions can come up. If children are not that much sensitive, enuresis can come up in the picture. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So convulsion in the children in the first period of dentition, spasm in the children's from fright. The child is cold and pale, has a fixed staring look like a Sina. Okay, you know remedy Sina. Okay, there is a cold and pale child, really cold and pale, and has a fixed staring look as if he try to stare at someone or something. So such fixed staring look is there like Sina. Convulsions with loss of consciousness, violent convulsion, tetanic convulsion, tetanus after fright, emotional chorea after fright or grief. Okay, these are all the rubrics which have been seen in this remedy. Now we are running out of time. Um, I will complete this slide over here. This is 11th slide. I will again going to share uh, Zoom meeting password and ID to you within 10 minutes. And we will again start with this 11th or 12th slide in further lecture within 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Within 10 minutes, I'm going to send you all the. Okay. So be there only. Okay. So I will end over here and then we will start within 10 minutes. Thank you, guys.